All right, this is the phenolic spacer from X35Designs. Pretty nicely well-made piece. It is exactly 3/8 inches thick. You're gonna need to get a second set of these gaskets. I only have one set right now. I don't have the one that goes in on the other side when you do the other side. What I'm trying to show you here today is just a slight little trick, even modify it even a little bit more if you're looking to get every tiny little inch of performance and tiny little if you're a OCD individual like myself. Anyway, I just threw the bolts in here just to illustrate what I'm talking about here. This is the hardware that came with it. But if you notice, the hardware, it's significantly, well, it's loose enough. I mean, this probably works just fine. But if you look, if you're trying to port this thing and you want to get this thing port matched 100%, you're always going to have an issue. You could port it and then mount it on your block and then it's just off aligned, right? So I got a little fix for that. And I'm going to cut video and come back. Alright, I'm back. So what did I do? Well, all I did was install 2 dowels here. What I had to do is I got some stainless steel 5/16 OD and God, I can't remember what the interior diameter is, but this I cut it to length, figured out how thick I need to do it, so there's literally no play with the hardware on the inside, on the interior diameter, and of course the exterior diameter is the outside diameter is 5/16. What I had to do is I had to drill. You can pick any 2 holes. I drilled this one and this one here, and then what I did is I just on the intake manifold corresponding here and here. And what I'm doing now, I removed the gaskets, by the way, just for the purpose of work. Now, because it's a nice snug fit, you gotta put it on nice and straight. And now, this thing is rock solid, not going anywhere, centered perfectly on all these runners. And you can kind of feel Steve over there at X35 did a really good job of making these things pretty good to the measurements. I can feel a couple little areas. I mean, I'll probably do it just because, but for the most part, it's it's just gonna be needed sanded, like filed down a little bit on. You can feel some lips on the barely, not much, barely. Right there's a decent sized one, kind of hooks a little bit. But anyway, yeah. So this thing is perfect. Doesn't and then the hardware fits in there nice and snug. And you have yourself a center. Other side. You can see it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. And that is my slightly tweaked phenolic spacer for the 3.5 liter transverse EcoBoost. I'm out.